Greetings from the Energy Club. We are a group of environmentalists studying at MNIT. Malviya National Institute of Technology is an institute of national importance established by the Government of India. Situated in the heart of Rajasthan, our campus is extended into an area of over 317 acres of lush greenery and has numerous certified green buildings. MNIT has been striving forward to make an impact in energy conservation and has been actively supporting this cause. In favor of this, MNIT administration has installed solar water heaters on every hostel. Also, a major part of electricity consumed is being generated in the campus itself. Enormous number of solar panels have been inducted at MNIT. Now telling you more about us. Energy Club was established in 2007 as a student wing of the Center for Energy and Environment by two of our super seniors. They had participated in Mondialgo engineering competition and carry off bronze award. Since then, our club has been burgeoning in perpetuity. Now comes activities and research work which are done in our club. We are involved in research work with collaboration and guidance of eminent researchers of the Center for Energy and Environment. Our club sporadically organizes awareness drives and campaigns. This is not only what our club does. We also arrange dramas, plays, skits for spreading consciousness in an engrossing way. Now here comes our major achievements. We have won Rajasthan Energy Conservation Award for the 5th consecutive time since 2015. We are also a winner of Indian Power Award for the years 2015, 16 and 17 and also won Wipro Earthian Award, and the list goes on. Our club organizes several activities throughout the year which includes SEEK, which is called Sustainable Energy and Environment Quiz. It is the biggest sustainable quizzing event of the West Zone. Here are some glimpses of the last year event. Greenovation, under which we discuss the upcoming challenges and the innovations related to energy and environment. Also under the Swachh Bharat Divas, Ban Plastics Awareness campaign is organized, including several activities like drama, play, quiz, cleanliness drive, etc. Next come over editorial work. We have our newsletter named Energy Headlines that is published quarterly and which has reached to all faculties, students not only in MNIT but other colleges as well. We also post energy, environment and innovation related news weekly on our social media handles. Our editorial teams are working hard on maintaining this work under the guidance of our mentors and concerned faculties. Let's now introduce you to the people who brought this group to great heights. They have shared their collective wisdom and resources with all the members of the club. Our professors and mentors have been involved in cutting-edge research in India as well as abroad. They have experience of teaching and research from one of the best universities of the world. There are numerous international level projects that have been taken up by them. This is our present team, comprising around 50 undergraduates. Our main aim is to gather brilliant minds and accord them a platform to come up with innovative ideas and work upon them. These are our social media handles. You can follow us for getting updates of our upcoming events and to remain updated with recent innovation and news related to the energy and environment sector. Please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.